Harrah's Resort, Atlantic City, room 438 in the Coastal Tower. These are brand new rooms. This is the third night, I think, or fourth night that they've been selling these. When you come in, you have your tap door that you have to tap to enter, which is new for Harrah's Resort, Atlantic City. Your usual checkout thing on the door. You have the closet here that opens up. It has a safe in it, which is new. The Harbour Tower rooms that used to be here did not have a safe. Just in case you were wondering, that's a new thing. Let's go into the bathroom really fast. You've got a mirror, a sink with toiletries. It's an updated sink like the Bayview, a little bit smaller. The toilet is not in a separate room like it is in Bayview. There is a picture above, and unlike Bayview, there's not a phone on the wall. Correct me if I'm wrong on that. This beautiful new shower, very big. It's a walk-in. This used to be a tub shower. So now it's a complete walk-in shower. It's beautiful, big and large. Enough for your toiletries and such. A mirror for your pleasure. It's huge. So you can do a lot of selfies with this, or whatever you want to do. A conjoining door. This is a conjoining room, so you can walk in and out to the next room if you like. Now we go in. Another mirror and a seating area. This is the same as Bayview. One of the lights is not working on it. This is brand new. That's a bad thing. A table, 2 chairs, a mirror, a lamp. The mirror frame is smaller than Bayview. This is a smaller room. It's 384 square feet. They advertised 450. That's wrong. It's 384, I would say. They didn't expand it at all. This is a bed, standard king-size bed like the Bayview. It's got 2 lamps, 1 on each side. I want to buy these for my house because I framed a picture of them in my room. Another lamp like on the other side. So you get 2 of those, that's nice. My stuff, my cash, my whatever, there. And my Wild Cherry Pepsi, gotta have that. You have a chair, like the Bayview. No view, this is the 4th floor, so don't ask for this room if you want this kind of view. Because it's a no view, it's a roof view. And a via atrium suite. A desk, a chair, just like in the Bayview. So that's pretty much the same. You've got a painting on the wall, and you've got that beautiful TV. That's brand new, and it's different than the Bayview. Same size, but it's a different frame color. It's silver, so it's probably a different model number too. Your glass topped ice chest, which is reminiscent to Bayview. So everything's pretty much the same to Bayview, to the T, except for the flooring in the bathroom and the doors. And they basically gutted the whole room, because these rooms are the ones that opened in 1980 with the hotel. But they are beautiful. So if you want this room, this is a Coastal Tower Premium 1 King room, and I got it comped. So if you have offer codes, you might get this comped. So this is a tour of the 1 King. I'll be back on March the 4th for a tour of the Premium 2 Queens version. Take care.